is Mamta Patil. Today's date is 5th February 2024. Today's topic is in the Java naming convention in the Java. In this video, we can discuss the naming convention in the Java. Java naming convention is a rule of what to name identifier such as a class, package, variable, constructor, method, etc. But it is not a forced to follow. So it is known as a convention, not rules, not rule. Their convention are several in the Java, several convention such as the sun such as the sun micro streams and um, sun micro streams and um, next classes. All the classes interfaces, packages, methods, and fields of the Java programming language um, are give according to the naming convention. If you fail to follow their convention, it may generated confuse or enhance the code. So let's we know the several identifiers and naming convention in a Java. First one is a class. It should starts with the uppercase letter. It should be non such as a color, button, system, thread, etc, etc. Then use appropriate instead of word instead of a in the class. Then next one is a interface. It should be starts with the uppercase letter. It should be an adjective such as a remote. Then allocators. Then it is a interface to use uh, appropriate word inserted of a economies. Then next one is a method. It should be starts with the lowercase letter in the methods. It it should be verb such as a main, print ln, etc. If the name contains multiple words, start it with a lowercase letter, then a lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter such as the action performed. Then next one is a variable. Then variable is a it should be starts with the lowercase letter lowercase letter such as id, name, etc. It should not start with the special character like a uh, like a like a uh, like a at the rate, dollar signs, etc. If the name control multiple words, starts it with the lowercase letter followed by the uppercase letter such as the first name and last name. Then avoid using one's character variable such as a xyz. Then next one is a package. It should be a lowercase letter such as a java lang, Java util, Java array list, etc. It is name contains multiple words. It should be separated by the dots. Dots. Then for example, Java util dot star, Java util dot star. So it is all about the naming convention in the Java. Thank you.